Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change your profile visibility from private to public on Upwork. Let's get started. Now, you can see I made my Upwork account private. To make it public again, click on the pencil icon next to the visibility settings, select public, and then hit save. However, if this option is disabled, you may need to ensure that your profile is fully completed or that you meet Upwork's eligibility criteria for public visibility. For example, if Upwork itself made your account private, you will need to scroll down and find the Help Center. You can see the Help Center, click on it. Select your account type. I am a freelancer because I created my Upwork account as a freelancer, so I'm selecting this option. Now, let's scroll down to the Access Your Account section. Here, you'll find Reset Profile Visibility. This option allows you to change your profile back to public. Just click on it. Right now, my account is public, so this won't be an issue for me. However, if you click on this option and your account is set to private, you will receive a message like this, explaining the situation. You'll see a message stating, "We received your request, and we are working on it. We sent you an email to confirm, and we'll email you again when your profile is public," which might take up to 4 hours. You'll receive an email from the Upwork team when your profile is set to public. So that's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.